Creating a cozy loft space in a tiny house involves maximizing available space while ensuring comfort and functionality. Here are some ideas drawn from the document Tiny House Living Ideas for Building and Living Well on Less than 400 Square Feet. Personalized storage solutions. Consider designing storage spaces that cater to your specific needs. For instance, extra storage can be built on the outside of the house for items not frequently used, like camping gear or tools. This approach helps in keeping the loft clutter-free while providing ample space for essentials. Innovative access points. Utilize passageways innovatively. For example, a ladder to the loft can be integrated into a passageway, which also serves as an access point for wall storage or a closet. This dual-purpose design saves space and adds an element of uniqueness to your tiny house. Dormers for extra space. Adding dormers to your loft can create additional space and open up the area. Dormers not only provide extra headroom but also allow for more natural light, making the loft feel more spacious and inviting. Reclaimed materials for aesthetic appeal. For a rustic and cozy feel, consider using reclaimed materials. For example, the Potomac Cabin by Charles Finn utilized reclaimed metal for a weathered look and reclaimed wood for the interior, contributing to a warm and homely atmosphere. Maximize vertical space. Take advantage of the vertical space above 6 feet. That can be used for storage or decorative elements, helping to keep the loft area uncluttered and more spacious. Remember, the key to a successful tiny house loft is combining functionality with personal style to create a space that is both practical and comfortable.